What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nate, and I am super excited because we have finally done it. That's right, we are doing a giveaway. Now, I know a bunch of you guys have been super excited because, you know, we talk about some of the dopest plugins for After Effects, and now you finally have a chance to get one of these for you and a friend by entering this giveaway. $1,500 worth of After Effects plugins, and it's just a super stacked bundle. I'm so excited. Let's just hop right into this. Let's go. I feel like now that I'm filming, I'm more self-conscious. All right, let me just break down really quickly what you guys can win for free. Liquid Elements, Liquid Transitions, Shape Elements, Slides Vintage Collection, Text Animation Presets, Monster Transitions, 3D Animation Presets, 2D Animation Presets, Shape Elements, Flat Icons, a Whiteboard Maker, 3D Devices, and Collections for Element 3D. Holy f, this thing's stacked, yo. That's Seamless Transitions. That's right, it comes with Seamless Transitions too. It even has a Slides Wedding Collection, you know, because me and Chriselle got engaged just like a month ago.
Oh my god!
All right, do it.
That is huge!
It has Sound Effects Pro. I know a lot of you guys have been seeing the videos and been saying, yo, these plugins that you got are super dope. Whether they're worth the price, debatable, but you can't argue with free. So the reason why we waited so long to finally do a giveaway is because we wanted to make sure that it was super special, just like all you guys have been here from when we had only like 5 subscribers to now when we have 31,000 at the time of this filming. So, you know, I'm just freaking out. You guys mean a whole lot to us. So that's exactly why we wanted to make sure this giveaway has something premium, something useful for a whole bunch of situations, and something that is just gonna straight up upgrade that After Effects arsenal you've been building. So that's what this I Want It All bundle from AEJUICE has. AEJUICE I Want It All bundle. It's a super stacked bundle of a bunch of effects and presets and animation elements. Honestly, when you add this up sold separately, the value is like well over $1,000. But don't worry, thanks to these super awesome developers, today you have an opportunity from now until the end of this year to win it for yourself and even a friend by making sure that you subscribe to us here on YouTube. Make sure you turn on that post notifications, and then you're also going to want to go ahead and subscribe to AEJUICE on YouTube. Yeah, that card right over there, that's where you're going to find how to subscribe to them. You know, I want you guys to have as many chances as possible to get to win this, so we are doing it to where if you also follow us on Instagram, so that's at Black Mixture and at Motion Lovers, then you will also be qualified for a second entry. And you know what, just to give you guys an extra opportunity to win, not just for yourself, but for your friends, you know, we're getting to the holiday spirit of giving. If you leave a comment down below on either YouTube or Instagram and you tag a friend in it, then you will have an opportunity to win not just a license for yourself, but also for your friend. You can tell us whatever you want in the comment. I suggest something like why you even want this bundle. I'm probably gonna be reading it, and so will the folks over at AEJUICE. Make it good. I can already tell you right now that I've used it in the Blackpink video, and I was so happy because it works seamlessly with After Effects and made such a huge difference. It's easily like over 1,000 different elements. Like, I think added up together, there's over 2,000 or 3,000 different things inside of this bundle. So that's why it is super stacked, so worth it. And guess what? You guys have an opportunity to win it for free by the end of this year. So make sure you go ahead, enter in that submission, and check back. You're gonna see a notification from either us or Motion Lovers or AEJUICE or somewhere, because we are gonna contact you about it and a little bit more about the details. Check down in that description. And as always, hope to catch you in the next one. Peace. I was just gonna say, I want it that. I'm not singing.